Hi, I'm Lisa Monagle here in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and together with Jose Martel, we invite you to the Introduction to Radical Aliveness workshop held right here, April 21st and 22nd. We will be inviting you to explore the complexity of who you are, what has been projected onto you for other people's needs, and what values have you been taught? What values do you hold true that are behind your intentions and actions in the world? And what might be holding you back? So if you have any curiosity about this work, come check it out. You'll meet the other students in the program, you'll meet the faculty, and it all takes place in a beautiful retreat center here, Synergia Ranch. So sign up. It's radicalaliveness.org/calendar, and we welcome you. We hope to see you here.